Facebook Remarketing 2.0 Made Easy. Chapter 13, 10 Do's You Should Consider for a Successful Facebook Remarketing Venture. Keep your ads dynamic. The creativity in your ads is key and it must reflect freshness, be responsive, friendly and eye-candy. Using the dynamic ads format offered by Facebook instead of the old-school static ad format will generate you more clicks, guaranteed. Doing so will in fact give you a 34% boost in conversions, and that is just by using the dynamic ad format. It is likewise great for remarketing purposes, as you can work with different product variations within one ad set. Which means that you will not necessarily have to test several ads for different product variations, if you find out that one ad with several variations is doing fine enough. Keep your ad groups as specific as possible. You have to remember to be organized with your ads, because while it might not be a headache when you have only one or two ad groups, it will easily become one when you inevitably start stacking more and more in your ad manager. So remember to keep your ad groups exclusive to one product. If you're going to add a new one, create a new group for it. Use color to reach your goals. You may have heard about a thing called color psychology before, and there is a reason why it is so hyped among design enthusiasts as well as among marketers. The use of specific colors in your ads can greatly help you to reach a goal. The key here is using the color as background. For example, if you want to drive impulse sales, use red. If you want to promote food-based services, use orange. If you want to advertise something luxurious and exclusive, use black. Look out for guides about the use of color in marketing online and get your game on. Keep your text short in ads. Upload a text-filled ad to Facebook and see how much does the platform despises them. The Facebook ad platform has a powerful algorithm that can gauge how good-looking an ad is, just by checking how much text is filling it up, and whether it is correctly spaced or not. The reason behind this is that it is easier for users to ignore an ad filled with text, as that kind of ad is already saturating all parts of the internet. So users think of those as nothing special and pass them by, so keep your ad text at the bare minimum, and on point. Include a call to action in your ads. This is supremely important, because your ads have to be all about invitation and about converting your impressions into conversions. When you include a call to action into your ads, what you are actually doing is driving users towards a commitment and then towards an action. Whether you want that action to be a sale or an affiliate hit, you have to express it in your ad. And Facebook makes that matter easy, because it gives you the option to add a call to action button right into your ad. It will look as part of a post, which works better, and you can additionally add calls to action both in your post title and description, so proceed wisely. Remarket with recommendations. If a segment of your audience has bought something from you, then the logical next step is to offer them something different, that is at the same time related to what they bought you before. And you can do so through remarketing with product recommendations based on their purchases. This can be great for helping you with three things: with capturing new clicks, as they will not be presented the same ad; with getting more shares, because if they like your product they will want to show what you offer to others; and with getting new conversions. Segment your audience. You probably believe that marketing to the largest number of people is the safest way to promote something. But doing so is nothing more than a hit-and-miss strategy that will only hurt your budget in the short term and your return on investment in the long run. The wisest thing to do is to segment your audience, and market to them in accordance to the characteristics, wants and needs of the people that make it up. And Facebook gives you one of the most powerful segmenting tools available in any online advertising platform. Market through a mailing list. Once your audience has been segmented, you will have another trick to use up your sleeve: your mailing list. Of course, this will work only with that segment of your audience that has been converted, but it will work in spades. Simply create an ad copy specific to each segment of your audience, and use Facebook to remarket directly to their email invoices, so they don't miss anything. Restrain yourself. You have to be aware that however cool a product might be, an ad campaign can reasonably fail due to factors beyond your reach. So if, for example, you put your whole budget towards a campaign because you think it is the bomb and it tanks, you better prepare for a world of hurt. Instead, you have to restrain yourself and not be driven too much by your emotions. Start small with each ad campaign, say, for example, at $10, and if it converts, let it run. But if it doesn't convert after one day, just kill it and start over. Always test. You have to always test your ad remarketing campaigns in real time, and ask yourself questions such as, is this ad copy attractive? Should I make it more attractive and see if it converts better? For how long has this ad been running? Does it make sense to keep it running? Or should I pause it and see if conversion increases or decreases by adding a slightly different one? Testing will give you the keys to successful remarketing because it will teach you to identify what is that people find valuable after they have made a purchase.